So I'm hoping you can see where I'm going with this. Welcome to Resinween. Hello friends, welcome back to Resinween. So, it's been a while since I demolded this brain here, this black brain, this beauty, this beautiful brain. I want to stick it into a skull. So, quite a while ago, months now, I used my holographic glitter to paint the inside of a skull, and, pardon me, if you heard that burp, I apologize. That skull had a layer of clear in it, okay? And it got me thinking, and so now what I want to try to do is I want to do a layer of clear with a brain in it. And I'm hoping to do some sort of drippy effect. Again, I'm going to try this drippy effect. I will get it. So help me God, I will get it. I'm going to try to do the drippy effect so it looks like the brain is dripping into the top of the skull. Right? And I'm going to do that obviously with black because this is a black brain. And then once that first layer is cured, I'm going to paint the rest of the skull with the black holographic glitter and then fill it up with black or clear. I'm not sure yet which. We'll get there when we get there. So, that's the plan for today. This is kind of ambitious. It's a kind of an experiment, I guess. But, yeah, let's see if we can do this, okay? Alright, so I'm going to get my resin started. And we'll get to pouring. Let's cross your fingers for me, please, okay? Alright. Alright, friends. It's been a little over 12 hours, I want to say, since I poured this. I'm just anxious to see how it looks. I'm excited, you guys. I will say, I did notice that some of the, when I went to detach the popsicle sticks, there was like a portion of the side that detached from the mold, and I'm really hoping that all of the black did not just seep in there and just undo all of my hard work. But we're gonna see together, I guess. Come on, baby. There we go. I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. Okay. Okay. It's kind of cool, but you can't really see the brain because it's black on black on black. I guess you can. Here, there we go. You can kind of see the brain in there. Yeah, that's really cool looking. Not exactly what I was going for, but man. This camera is not doing it justice. Let me see. Let me see if I can get a better video. Oh yeah, that's better. Lots of bubbles trapped in the brain. Am I completely shocked by that? No. Actually, it looks kind of cool with all the bubbles in it. And you can see the black that crept around the sides. Yeah, I do wish that I had done a different color brain for this, but that still looks really, really cool. So, yeah, this is really cool looking. I love that you can see just how awesome this looks. Like the, you know, the layers and everything. And finally I got that creeping effect, but unfortunately it's behind black and on top of black, so it's like you can't really see it all that well. Well, I mean, you can in the phone video I just showed, but dude, that is so cool. That's sick. Okay, I'm excited. I've unlocked a whole new thing that I want to do multiple times over the years. But anyway, that's today's video. Really happy with this experiment, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. If you enjoyed this video too, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.